Hello guys, what is up? It is King Christo here, and today I am back with another video. Now today, in this video, we are going to be doing a quick unboxing of the MK520 by Logitech. This is a mouse and keyboard combo. Now before we get into the video, I would like to say I apologize for my current voice state, as it is pretty bad due to the fact that I recently had strep throat and I am still recovering. But without further ado, let us get into the unboxing. So immediately, as you notice, you're greeted with this large, very large teal colored box, which hardly fits in the camera shot, which is perfectly fine though. And at the top you will have to cut, if we look over here, 2 tabs that will allow you to open this. You can see one of them is right there. And after you cut that tab, you will be able to open this up. I already pre-cut it so that I wouldn't be sit here fumbling around with it in the video. And also you can see you have your general information. You know, if you want to read any of that you can, but I'm not going to take time to do that. That's all just marketing, and it really doesn't matter, quite frankly. So once you open the box, you are immediately greeted with the keyboard itself. And I think I'm going to try to get everything out of this box so that we can get it out of our way. So you pick up the keyboard. It's in this plastic sleeve sort of thing. It's very standard, really. It's got quite a bit of weight to it, more than you'd actually expect. When I first got this, I thought it would be a very, very light product, but it's definitely not, I can tell you that. So here's the keyboard. We'll set that aside for now. Let's see the rest of the box. So in this corner, we have in another plastic bag the mouse. So yep, that's good. And then finally, we have the Logitech unifying receiver, which, let's see if I can get this to focus up close. It's very small, but this is what you'll plug into your computer in order to use this. See if we can get it to focus a little bit better. Okay. Then you have your generic instructions on how to use a mouse and keyboard at the bottom there, as you can somewhat see. I'm not sure you will need that though, because you kind of plug it in and then it works. So yeah, let's just get this box out of the way real quick. And now we're good. You can see my power supply in the corner there. But let's get to the product. So first of all, let's get the mouse, because the mouse is the smallest object. Let's get it out of the plastic bag. So you can see the mouse right here. Yeah, on the bottom it has an on and off switch. Red is off. And I don't know if you can see that, but green is on. And now if we look under here, we can see that on the bottom there is a battery slot. It takes a single AA battery, and Logitech is good so that they do provide the batteries with their products, so that is very nice. It should last quite a while. I know Logitech definitely focuses on battery life, and it's very nice that you get the product and you don't actually have to buy batteries immediately. Now just taking a look around it, it's a very simple mouse. Definitely much better than something like the trackpad on your laptop or something like that. And there's a plastic slip, so definitely stay till the end of the video. I will be pulling off all the plastic on the products at the end, which I know everybody likes because it's very satisfying. So now let's try holding it. Feels pretty comfortable, not gonna lie. And I will show you guys how it is like to click everything. So first off, the left click, now the right click, and then the scrolly button. So yeah, overall pretty nice presentation so far. Let's set this aside now though, and let's get the keyboard out. Whoops, just bumped the camera. That's okay though. Alright, so now we have the keyboard. Let's take it out of this plastic bag. Obviously they do that so that nothing gets scratched. You don't want your brand new product coming scratched. And we have the keyboard here now. It also has quite a lot more plastic on it. I'm sure you can see all the bubbles and stuff right here. So that's also nice. I'm assuming that's a glossy part so that that part doesn't get fingerprints on it during shipping or whatever, depending on if people are touching it. And let's just do a short look around about the keyboard. Let me angle the camera a little bit better real quick. Alright, so we have the keyboard itself, and it's pretty monotone, just all black and gray all around with white letters. And then the function keys are yellowish orangish accented. It also has an on and off switch, so you can turn it on and you see that this LED shines up. Let's take a look around the back. So around the back we see it's white, and that kind of gives off a certain accent compiled with the fact that it is clear around the edges, and you can see that it has some height adjustment. I don't know if the camera is going to pick this up, but let me zoom in real quick so you guys can see this. Alright, so I'm not sure whether you guys can see that very well or not. But right there is a rubber pad so that when you put it down, the keyboard isn't sliding around too much, at least. If it was fully plastic, let me focus this for y'all 1 second. Alright, but if it was fully plastic, when I do something like this, it would probably go like wee and slide around all over. So now I'm going to do a real quick typing test for everybody, because I know that everybody would want that. How is it like to actually use? And I'm actually going to move my mic closer to the keyboard than to my face so that you guys can actually hear what it sounds like. And now finally I will pull off the plastic for everybody's satisfaction. Alrighty everybody, I hope you all enjoyed my unboxing of the Logitech MK520 mouse and keyboard combo. Before I end the video, I would like to say thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like, as well as the fact that maybe even consider subscribing if you want similar certain types of things like this on a channel, as well as the fact that my Discord server will be down below. If you are interested in getting to know me or you need to contact me, that's definitely the best place to do it. Also, I would like to say that I'm not going to be doing a full review on this because it is simply a keyboard. There's really not that much to talk about. It's nothing like special lights, show, or anything like that. But I will be doing one more video including this product as more of an informational video on how to do something, so definitely get ready for that. Now, without further ado, this is King Christo signing off, and peace out.